Hello students, in the last class we learned how to write the fractions in ascending order, and I told you if you know to write in ascending order you can easily write them in descending order also. Ascending order means writing the fractions from smaller to greater, and descending order is writing them from greater to smaller, and we use the sign also to write them in ascending order and descending order. Today's class we are going to learn to write the fractions in descending order. Let's see the first question. You can see here 1 by 13, 5 by 13, 12 by 13 and 9 by 13. Here all these fractions are having the denominators same. 13 is the denominator for all the fractions. Means these all are like fractions. If they are like fractions, how can we compare them? Whose numerator is smaller, that will be the smaller fraction. Whose numerator is greater, that will be the greater fraction. So we are going to write them in descending order. So which will be the first number to be written or first fraction to be written? The greatest fraction. So you can see here numerators are 1, 5, 12 and 9. And which is the greatest among them? 12. So which is the greatest fraction? 12 by 13 is the greatest fraction. We can write here 12 by 13. Then we can put the sign also here. The greatest 12 by 13 is greater than which one? Next is 9 by 13. Greater than 9 by 13. And that number is greater than which one? 5 by 13. And 5 by 13 is greater than which fraction? 1 by 13. That is the answer of this question. We have written them from greater to the smallest. This is the way we have to write them in descending order. Now next question we can see here, whenever you get a question you have to see whether the numerators are same or whether the denominators are same. You can see here 3 by 5, 3 by 8, 3 by 15 and 3 by 4. In this fraction, all the fractions, the numerators are same. All are having 3 as the numerator. So, if the numerators are same, what to do? Just opposite. Whose denominator is smaller, that will be the greater fraction. Whose denominator is greater, that will be the smaller fraction. When you write in descending order, which fraction we have to write first? We have to write the greatest fraction. Greatest fraction means smallest denominator. We can see here 5, 8, 15, 4, which is the smallest denominator. 4 is the smallest denominator. So 3 by 4 is the greatest fraction. And the next one will be 3 by 5. After 5, which is the next number? 8. Then 3 by 8. Then the next one is 3 by 15. We have written them in descending order. Now, the next question we can see 3 by 4, 7 by 8, 5 by 12 and 19 by 24. All are having different numerators and different denominators. Now, in this case, what we have to do, as we did for the ascending order, we have to find the LCM of the denominators, and we have to change all the given fractions into like fractions having that LCM as the denominator. So we can first find the LCM of the denominators. Denominators are 4, 8, 12 and 24. We are going to find the LCM. We have to see, we have to start the process with the smallest prime factor, that is 2. Are they divisible by 2? Yes, all the numbers are divisible by 2. We will do How many 2s are 8? 2 4s are 8. How many 2s are 12? 2 6s are 12. How many 2s are 24? 2 12s are 24. Again 2, 4, 6 and 12 are divisible by 2. We will continue the process. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 6s are 12. Again you can see here 2 and 6 both are divisible by 2. If there is a common factor for any two of the numbers also, we can continue the process. So we are going to do with 2 again. 1 we will bring it down. 2 1s are 2. Bring down 3 as it is not divisible by 2. So next is 2 3s are 6. Now can you continue the process? Yes, 3 and 3 both are divisible by 3. So we can continue the process here. 1 bring down the next one also. 3 1s are 3 and 3 1s are 3. As the remainders we got all 1. So what will be the LCM of these numbers? 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Here nothing is remaining, so we can just multiply them. LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. That is 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 3 8s are 24. LCM is 24. Now what we have to do? We have to find equivalent fractions for all the given fractions having 24 as the denominator. Okay? Now we will write all the given fractions. 3 by 4, 7 by 8, 5 by 12 and 19 by 24. Now what we have to do? We have to find equivalent fractions for all the given fractions having 24 as the denominator. We are going to write the denominator, that is 24. How many 4s are 24? 4 6 are 24. Then 3 into 6, 18. 7 by 8. How many 8s are 24? 8 3s are 24. Then 7 3s are 21. Now, how many 12s are 24? 12 2s are 24. Then 5 2s are 10. How many 24s are 24? 24 1s are 24. Then multiply the numerator also with 119 1s are 19. Which number you multiply the denominator to get 24? 4 into 6. With the same number, you have to multiply the numerator also. Now we have got 4 fractions having the same denominators. We can write them in descending order. Question is to write them in descending order. We are going to write all the fractions having 24 as the denominator in descending order. Okay, which is the biggest one, greatest one? That is 21 by 24. You can put the greater sign. Then next is 19 by 24. Next is 18 by 24. Next is 10 by 24. Now, is it the final answer? No, this is not the final answer. We have to find out what is the final answer. Which is 21 by 24? 21 by 24 is 7 by 8. Which is 19 by 24? 19 by 24 is 19 by 24. And which is 18 by 24? That is 3 by 4. And the next last one is 10 by 24. That is 5 by 12. This is the final answer. Ascending order and descending order, the half of the process is same to same only. Only the last step we have to make the changes. First step, what is that? If the numerators and denominators are different, in such case, first you have to find the LCM of the denominators. Then you have to change all the given fractions into fractions having that LCM as the denominator. After that, you have to write either in ascending order or descending order. Hope all of you understood. Thank you.